If you're in SaaS sales and want to boost your outreach game, learning how to use Apollo.io could be a game changer. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to leverage Apollo.io for effective SaaS sales outreach. And stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing how you can try Apollo.io for free with an exclusive bonus just for you. Apollo.io is a powerful platform designed to help you target and reach the right leads with precision. One of its biggest features is its vast database of business contacts, allowing you to segment your audience down to the smallest details, making your outreach efforts more efficient. First, let's talk about how to set up your account and get started. After signing up, you'll want to head over to the search page. This is where the magic happens. You can filter your search based on criteria like industry, company size, role, geography, and even tech stack. For SaaS sales, being able to target companies that already use certain technologies like CRM tools or email marketing software is invaluable. Apollo.io lets you do that with just a few clicks. Once you have your ideal customer profile, the next step is building your list. Apollo.io makes this process simple by allowing you to export targeted lists of leads directly to your CRM or email outreach platform. This can save you hours of manual work, ensuring you're always working with fresh, qualified leads. Now, let's dive into outreach. Apollo.io integrates seamlessly with email platforms, so you can send personalized emails directly from the dashboard. You can create sequences and automation to engage your leads over time without lifting a finger. The platform also offers A/B testing for your email campaigns, which helps you fine-tune your approach and maximize open rates. Another great feature is Apollo.io's analytics and reporting tools. These allow you to track the effectiveness of your outreach campaigns in real time. Whether you're tracking open rates, response rates, or conversion rates, the data is easy to digest, so you can make informed decisions and optimize your outreach strategy as you go. If you're in SaaS sales, you know that timing is everything. Apollo.io gives you detailed insights into when your prospects are most likely to engage, making it easier for you to schedule follow-ups and maximize the chances of a successful interaction. And don't forget about the data enrichment features. Apollo.io automatically updates lead profiles with the latest contact details, social media links, and other important information. This ensures you're always working with the most up-to-date information, which is crucial when you're engaging with potential clients. If you're still unsure whether Apollo.io is the right tool for you, I've got some great news. You can access this software completely for free through the first link below, and on top of that, we've secured an exclusive bonus offer that gives you an extended trial period. So, to recap, Apollo.io is a top-tier tool for SaaS sales outreach, allowing you to find the best leads, automate your email sequences, and track your success all in one place. If you're serious about scaling your outreach efforts and getting more leads in less time, give Apollo.io a try. Just click the link below for your exclusive extended trial and get started today. Make sure to check the description for more information. And remember, getting started with Apollo.io could be the key to taking your SaaS sales outreach to the next level.